What do you mean who coughs like that? I'm now getting fucking made fun of the way for my fucking cough? I'm getting made fun of the way I cough? I cough like a fucking man, like a fucking man-child. Like somebody who coughs like fucking, you know, a cough of the kings. All right? Who coughs like that? It's a fucking heavy man cough. Like, oh shit, that motherfucker is coughing. That's how I fucking cough. How do I cough? How do you fucking cough? Did you beat Corona like 9 times? Who fucking cough? You fucking, that's how you fucking cough. What do you do? A little fucking black lung like fucking Zoolander? No, I cough like I fucking mean it deep in the fucking lungs. The whole body, the whole inner space function get all tumbled around in there. That's how I fucking cough. All right, cough. How you fucking cough?